Excellent. All over this. Good. Feel that?
Yes.
Good. Wow.
Wow.
Very good. Very good. So what's going on?
I've been having pain here in this area
Pain here. Yep.
and a little bit discomfort here
Here.
and here.
Okay, right in the front of the shoulder. Okay, good. And this one was worse last week than this week.
Yes.
And
I
then
feel better this time.
Better since you did the wobble chair.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was able to do the wobble chair this time without pain.
Excellent. Okay, so let's check all these areas. Let's go face down. Is that tender there?
Yes.
How about right there?
More there.
More here. Okay, all right. Feel that?
Yes.
Okay. Right there too. Okay. Let me check these guys first. All right, so we're going to adjust that lower lumbar here. So lie on the side facing me.
You?
Yeah, I'm gonna get this up here. Good. I'm gonna get you real close to me. And you won't fall, right? Tender right there. Okay, so real light. We're gonna just real easy. I'm gonna bring you all the way over. This. Good. Feel that? Good. Now let's lie your back. So definitely right away you can feel that lift into place. So now we just have to check because the psoas have been pretty reactive on you, right? So we're just going to check them again here. And if you can lift this leg up. Okay, now we're gonna. How are we doing there? Okay. This knee and lift this one up. Okay, right there. We're gonna come out. He's been doing a lot better. Wow, a lot better. Good. And then this one ankle typically you have problems with. Definitely that one. Perfect. Good. And let me check this here. We have to check the wrist on the side. Right away you can feel that, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, right in there. There we go. Good. Excellent. That's torture, huh? That one's okay. Good. Oh yeah, right there. Right there. Good. Beautiful. Now. Feel that there? Okay. I have to come way over here though. Okay, here we go. A little bit. But this is going to be the one right here. Yeah, right in there. Excellent. Real tiny, real tiny, below that upper one. How's that? Okay. back to that one. Let's sit up a moment. Now, maybe face this way. Scoot back, and I just want you to interlace behind your, brace yourself though as you go back, okay? So help yourself down with your arms. There you go, right there. Now interlace behind your neck. Now you come in here. Good. Wow.
Wow.
Very good, very good. I want you to face that way for a moment. Okay, just bring your chin up and down. And work this out.
Oof.
Right there. Feel that?
Oof. Yeah, and a lot on this side.
Yeah. Now bring your ear to your shoulder.
Which one?
There we go. Other side. There we go. Now it's starting to release. Shrug your shoulders to your ears. Kind of shrug them up. And relax. Good. Right. Okay, chin down a little bit. And chin up. Okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Power's on.